is not a quick flip.
What are you talking about? You haven't even had a month.
A quick flip would be like a couple of days.
It takes a month.
So we should what?
To do a quick flip.
No.
6 months later.
It did fire right up that first day. We didn't even put a battery charger on. We just, does it have oil? Yeah. As you see, she fires right up.
It started up on its own?
Yeah, the battery wasn't dead or anything.
We threw a jacket on it and it went down the road.
Yeah. Yeah, you went right, a jacket right on the, no seats.
And you threw it on there and took it down the
And then you burned it down in the driveway, and then we put it out in the barn.
Man, it ran good.
Yeah.
Tighten that up. You don't want to videotape this part. It's not clean yet. I'm getting the dust off right now, so I can put that fucking F11 on there.
They can see this part. So she's been out in the barn for a while.
Yeah, no shit.
So we actually finished it quite a while ago and didn't videotape it for, I don't even know why. I thought we finished it before that. Anyhow, we ended up taking it and getting the inspection done, and it's been sitting waiting on the paperwork to come back from that. So it's now clean, clear. We have the title. It's ready for sale. So we are going to clean this thing up, take some good pictures with it, and end up moving this some bitch down the road. And hopefully the money from this will pay for some of the other projects we're trying to accomplish around here. Like that ramp truck. That's coming in next.
The ramp truck?
Yeah.
Oh, the motor mount?
Well, yeah, the engine's, I need to get the engine out of the bed of that truck.
Yeah.
Which means it now needs to go live in the engine bay of that truck.
What about the big mess that's on the back of that damn thing?
Listen, you gotta talk to John. What the crap?
That's what I was talking about.
I
when
never
you said
noticed
it fell over.
It did, but I never looked at that.
That's what I was looking at. I was like, what the fuck happened to the seat? You said blew over on the wind.
Yeah, I knew it did. I just didn't realize it was that cracked up. Okay.